Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update KB5079391262000.8116 not installing. First, open Windows settings and go to Windows Update. Click on Pause Updates, then click Resume Updates and try installing again. Sometimes this simple step fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, type services in the search box and open it. Find Windows Update, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, Start, then OK, and restart the service. Next, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, set it to Automatic, apply changes, start it, and restart the service. Then find App Readiness, set it to Automatic, apply, start, and restart it as well. If it still fails, run System Repair commands. Search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Run these commands one by one. SFC or Scano, DSM, Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health, DSM, Online, Cleanup Image, Start Component, Cleanup, wait for each scan to complete, then restart your PC. If the issue continues, use Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5079391, check your Windows version using WinVer, confirm system type in Settings, About, then download and install the correct update manually. If that still doesn't work, go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and choose Reinstall Now to repair Windows without losing files. As a last step, use Media Creation Tool. Download it from Microsoft, create an ISO, open it, run setup, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps, and complete the installation. After installation, restart your PC and check again. One of these steps should fix the issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.